Good morning. Today we took a bus from Hanoi. It took about 3 hours and we're going to go take a cruise on Halong Bay. So we just arrived here close to the cruise port and yeah, we got our bags, we're ready to go.
We just got to the port and we're getting transported out to the main boat from a smaller boat. I think that's what's going on anyways.
There's a bunch of boats, tons of people.
It's kind of like everyone shows up at the same time, gets brought to their boat. So this is our transfer boat.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we got packed onto this little boat and now we're just being shipped out to our other boat, though we have no idea which one it is. There's about 25 boats just floating around in the bay here and we're going to find out which one we're at.
We made it on. It's a small and cozy boat. I'm feeling a bit old. Everyone seems to be under 20 here. But it's super.
For a briefing, it looks like.
Okay, so I've seen the room, but I wanted to catch Ryan's first impression. Just see what he says.
Okay, room okay?
Oh yeah, all good, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. We got a round bed. I'm sure might be a little tight to fit on.
So this is the room, but like how cute is that? Like wall to wall round bed. I feel like this is
it's like a velvet
yeah, it's like a special suite. And here's
the to lay down on like
room tour.
I don't think I can.
It's not too big. And how do you fit in this bed?
I don't know. It'll be
just a few.
Oh, short.
Just like a few.
Sure not.
It's not bad. Your feet can hang.
Yeah. We got a window too, a big window. So
big window, and then oh, it's you shower on top of the toilet type of thing, where the water splashes everywhere.
It's space efficient.
Space efficient.
But there's actually a decent amount of room for our bags and stuff.
Oh, it's perfect. Like I hadn't.
We've stayed in
no expectations.
Smaller with less room.
Yeah, I guess I just kind of expected to have a balcony, but otherwise it's pretty cool. So I'm just sitting here beside the window, and I'm not complaining about our boat because it's perfect for, for us. We're not luxury people, but I'm also seeing how if you pay a little bit more, you get to be in a pretty fancy little boat. Like they have a formal dining room and it looks pretty sweet. I can only imagine like it would be expensive because we paid 8.5 million dong to be here, which ends up being like, it's a good amount of money for Vietnam. So I can only imagine like this must be double the price.
All right, third floor here is just like an open balcony where you can just come up and chill. It's actually a little cool, surprising. Just open area, like lots of tables and chairs, and then like lounge chairs to hang out. The surrounding is pretty cool though. Like all these tiny little islands are pretty awesome to check out. There's tons of boats out here too. I was surprised how many there actually are, kind of all on the same tour, going to the same places.
And we're going kayaking in a few minutes.
Just arriving here at the Pearl Farm.
We're getting ready to kayak, and we've got a bit of a sizing issue here with the. Try and close it. Let's just see what happens here.
It's no big deal. I'll make it. We'll make it work.
You ready for an exhilarating
yeah,
kayak?
It'll be pretty cool though. Like, look at it out there.
We're in the middle of a pearl farm, which is pretty awesome. I had very low expectation, but this is turning out to be cool. So below, there's a bunch of kind of cages where they implant tiny little pearls, and then it grows for 3 to 8 years.
It's nice and calm and like amazing.
The landscape is
Backdrop
stunning.
here for a little rip. Just getting Milan to paddle me around here.
Just being a little princess back
Yeah,
there.
it's a pretty cool backdrop here to paddle for sure. It's flat calm. We've only ever seen how calm it is here.
Okay, so we're getting on a small boat and we're going to a cave.
It's called Surprising Cave. This boat, mini boat, has come to pick us up. Life jackets on. I don't know what to expect. Looks pretty cool though. First set of stairs. First platform.
First look out.
Fourth.
That's gorgeous.
Oh, this looks pretty cool actually.
You're gonna lose your spot, Ryan.
Oh geez.
There's
Hold
a
on,
big,
hold on.
massive traffic jam right now just to get in.
It's not moving fast, this line. Oh, this is the one of 3 caves, and it's supposed to be 300 square feet. The second one also 300, and the third one almost 10,000. So we finished up at the cave, and now we're just heading back to the boat along the walkway here in the line with everybody else.
We were just having breakfast. We're in the middle of a bay here, not anywhere close to anything. And this barge just pulled up, and I believe this is the gas guy. I have a feeling it goes around and tries to, like, it hits up all the different boats and fuels everyone.
Okay, our next adventure on the cruise here was to a cave. Oh, straight in front of us. We kayaked from the boat. We crushed the other group. And we're gonna pull in there because we gotta get out and walk up. Stashed our kayaks on the side there and just walking up. It's not quite as big as the other ones that we checked out, but still a cool little spot that we got to kayak to.
This place is like full of caves.
Yeah, it's pretty slippery though.
It's like slimy and slippery.
Okay, next tunnel here. Yeah, very tiny little one. Does it go somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
I made it.
Oh. And it comes back to another lagoon. Just a local fisherman who lives on the boat.
Hi. So here's the sad reality of Halong Bay is that there's a ton of garbage on the water, kind of everywhere. And although there are boats picking up the garbage, it's still, there's still very much garbage. Good morning. Today we are at T-Top Island. It's a small little island with a big beach, and we're going to be hiking 424 steps all the way to the top.
Actually a really nice beach, and
We were parked just off the beach. So it was like a 30-second boat ride over. And we're hiking and then swimming. Stairs are pretty steep and pretty windy. It only took about 8 minutes to get up to the top. It's pretty packed up here, but at the bottom of T-Top Island is the section where all the boats have to park at night as per the Vietnamese government. It's also the area where the cell phone service is the best, so another reason why everyone parks there at night. And in the morning, everyone's allowed to go and roam around all throughout Halong Bay. We made it to a beach. Pretty cool cave up in there. What do you think?
One of like 1,000 caves.
Yeah,
we've
lots of
seen.
caves. Lots of caves here, but they're all pretty cool. So apparently you walk through the cave to the other side, which is the beach.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. I can hear the water on the other side.
Oh yeah? So you come out of the cave and you're on a beach surrounded by these foggy cliffs.
Yeah, this is pretty nice.
It's pretty unbelievable here. Like we've been, like we kind of floated by a few beach. This is definitely the nicest with the massive cliffs. And you can only get here by boat.
We just finished our last cave tour. We're gonna kayak back to the boat and then shut it down for dinner. And then we get brought back to the main dock and then back to Hanoi tomorrow.
Yeah, so overall it was pretty awesome. We just loved it. The landscape is absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous here.
But it is a slow pace, sort of pace of life, but
very chill.
Very chill.
Cool nonetheless and worthy of the boat ride.
Yeah, thanks for watching.